Hi, I'm going to show you how to loosen and tighten the shoulder straps of the Chicco KeyFit 30 newborn car seat. How to buckle and unbuckle a Chicco KeyFit 30 car seat. Here is how you loosen the straps. There is a button right here. You will want to press and hold down the button while pulling the straps at the same time. Let's buckle up the baby. Now snap in each of the buckle tongs. Then buckle the chest clip. After buckling up the baby, the straps are too loose and you will want to tighten it. All you have to do is pull this part of the strap right here and it will tighten. Next, you will want to move this bar up so it can keep the pads around the neck of the baby. And here is how you unbuckle it. You may want to loosen the straps to release stretch of the straps before unbuckling. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.